Tired of messy, tangled hoses in your yard? Frustrated every time you need to water the garden? Dragging out a kinked hose wastes your time. Unwinding knots feels like a daily battle. Hoses left outside look cluttered and uninviting. Sun, rain, and dirt quickly wear out your hose. Searching for a better way to store your hose? Meet the Suncast Garden Hose Hideaway storage reel box. Effortlessly stores up to 100 feet of standard hose. No more tangles, no more messy piles. Slide Trak feature gives smooth, tangle-free winding. Just crank the handle. Your hose retracts easily. No assembly required. Ready to use right away. Made from durable, weather-resistant resin. Resin construction resists fading, rust, and damage. Minimal maintenance needed for long-lasting performance. Compact design fits perfectly in small outdoor spaces. Holds a full 100-foot hose but stays unobtrusive. Ideal for gardens, patios, and decks. Always have your hose accessible for watering plants. Perfect for washing cars or cleaning outdoor areas. No more tripping over loose hoses. No more struggling to unwind a stiff hose. Before, hoses tangled, dirty, and hard to manage. After, hose neatly stored, ready when you need it. Before, outdoor space looks cluttered and messy. After, yard stays tidy and organized. Before, hose exposed to sun, rain, and damage. After, hose protected inside weather-resistant box. Before, wasting time untangling knots. After, quick smooth access every time. Before, struggling with heavy, awkward hose reels. After, easy manual crank for effortless winding. Before, worrying about rust and fading. After, durable resin keeps your reel looking new. Before, large hose reels take up too much space. After, compact hideaway fits anywhere. Suncast Hideaway makes hose storage simple. Enjoy a clutter-free, organized outdoor area. No more wasted time, just grab and go. Slide Trak ensures tangle-free winding every time. Weather-resistant resin stands up to outdoor conditions. Perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and outdoor lovers. Easy access for all your watering needs. Great for washing cars, cleaning patios, and more. No assembly means instant convenience. Sturdy construction built for years of use. Fits up to 100 feet of 5/8-inch hose. Compact size saves space in smaller yards. Keep your garden tools neat and organized. Look sleek and modern in cyberspace gray. Say goodbye to hose clutter forever. Say hello to effortless outdoor maintenance. Transform your outdoor space with Suncast Hideaway. Make watering your garden quick and easy. Protect your hose from harsh weather and sun. Enjoy hassle-free garden care every day. Suncast Hideaway, where convenience meets durability. No more fighting with stubborn hose reels. No more unsightly hoses lying around. Just smooth, reliable storage and access. Upgrade your garden with Suncast Hideaway today. Perfect for anyone who loves a tidy yard. Great for professional landscapers and homeowners alike. Organize your outdoor space in minutes. Enjoy more time enjoying your garden. Suncast Hideaway, your hose's new home. Ready to make garden care easier? Get your Suncast Garden Hose Hideaway now. Click to order and experience the difference.